Hello and welcome to my TBC Engineering guide. In this guide I'm gonna show you what mats you need, what to craft, what classic mats you can bring to TBC to level engineering, and of course some secret vendors that sell recipes and other engineering materials. These are the mats you're gonna need to reach level 375. The TBC Engineering trainers can be found in Underhold for Alliance and Thrallmore for Horde. This is where you can find the Horde Engineer trainer in Thrallmore. And for Alliance, this is gonna be the trainer you're gonna seek. Talk to the NPC and learn all the different things he will offer you. Now we will have to craft 290 bolts. It's important you start with these because they're actually gonna turn green as the first item. Now you will have to craft 70 fill iron caskets. The next item we have to craft is the elemental blasting powder. Here you will have to use all your mode of fire and mode of earth. At this point you should be level 315 in engineering. Next you will have to craft 5 fill iron bombs. This will make you reach level 320. At 320 you have to head back to a trainer and learn the fill iron musket. To make sure you hit level 335 you have to craft 20 of the muskets. The reason why I craft 20 and not 15 is because this skill will turn yellow. The next recipe is actually from Shadrock City, and this recipe is so good because the materials you need to level up is super cheap. If you're wondering where in Shadrock City you can get this recipe, it's from this NPC. Alright, so the next thing is to craft 50 of these flares. You're gonna use them most likely in raids anyway, so just craft 50 because this way you'll make sure you hit level 350. At level 350, the engineering trainer will also let you learn an armor specific headpiece. So if you're a cloth user, it's gonna be cloth, if you're a leather user, it's gonna be leather, and so on. In Shadowmoon Valley, there's also an NPC you can talk to, and this one will let you learn the flying machine. And of course, there's also a trainer for Horde in Shadowmoon Valley. Notice that it's 350 you need for the blue one and 375 for the epic one. Alright, so back to the training. From 350 to 360 you will craft 20 Corium Power Core. At level 360 and all the way up to 375 you will have to find some rare recipes. One of the recipes, and the one you mainly have to go for, is in Blade Edge, and here you will have to kill some monsters and find a rare recipe. The recipe is dropped from the analyzers, and the drop chance is around 1%. The next thing you have to craft is 20 repair bots. This will make you able to reach level 375. In case you're still watching the guide, it's actually gonna be the time now where I'm gonna talk about the classic mats you can bring into TBC. In BRD, you can get a repair bot recipe, and this one is really useful in TBC because you can actually level with this one. To craft one of the classic repair bots, you need 16 thorium bars and 2 fused wiring. It's very important that you notice that I don't recommend you do this, because in the beginning of the guide, the materials we crafted there were actually gonna be needed later on when we had to get to like 375, so I don't recommend you do this. In Netherstorm, in Area 52, there's actually a secret vendor that sells engineering materials. I recommend you do this because here you can get some mats really cheap compared to what you actually have to pay for the normal materials in order to craft these items. I hope you find my TBC Engineering guide really useful. In case you would like to see more TBC content or other TBC guides, make sure to look to the right. But as always, thank you so much for watching and have a great day.